Helping others silently is a beautiful act of sincerity. When you support someone without showing off, Allah rewards you in ways you never expect. Silent help protects your heart from pride and brings peace to your soul. Even a small act done secretly can open big doors of mercy. Help people quietly and trust that Allah's help will always reach you at the right time.
Life is time, and time is life. Every moment you spend becomes a piece of your story. If you waste time, you waste the chance to grow, improve, and become better. But if you value your time, life starts becoming meaningful and productive. Time never stops for anyone, so use it wisely. Invest your moments in learning, helping others, and building your future, because your life is shaped by how you spend your time.
Pain is not always your enemy. Sometimes it becomes your greatest teacher. The moments that hurt you the most often shape you the most. Every struggle makes you stronger, wiser, and more aware of who you are. When life breaks you, it also rebuilds you into a better version of yourself. Don't run from pain. Learn from it. Growth begins where comfort ends. Working in silence is one of the most powerful strategies for success. When you stay quiet and focused, you avoid distractions and protect your energy. You don't need to announce your goals. Your results will speak for you. Silent hard work builds discipline, confidence, and inner strength. People may doubt you now, but your achievements will remove all doubts. Let your success make the real noise. If you truly want to change your life, start by changing your daily habits. Small habits repeated every day shape your future more than big dreams once a year. Wake up earlier, control your phone time, read a little, and stay consistent. Good habits silently build success, while bad habits slowly destroy it. Your future begins with today's actions. No one cares until you become successful. In the beginning, nobody notices your struggles, your late nights, or your silent efforts. People often ignore your dreams when you have nothing to show. You may feel alone, rejected, and misunderstood. But this silence teaches you strength. It pushes you to work harder and believe in yourself when no one else does. When success finally comes, the same people who ignored you will start to respect you. This is the harsh truth of life. So do not work for approval. Work to build your future. Let your success speak when words fail. Stay focused, stay strong, and never give up on your journey. I love Friday because it brings joy after long working days. On Friday, my heart feels free and happy. I spend more time with family and feel relaxed. The stress of the week slowly goes away. Friday gives me new energy to start again. This day teaches me to enjoy small moments of life. I wait for Friday all week because it feels like a reward after hard work. Friday brings peace to my mind and rest to my body. I finish my duties with more hope on this day. The tired heart feels light, and the evening feels special. Friday reminds me that every effort has a sweet ending.